If you're using AI for your business, you probably open a new chat and then you tell it what your business does. And then you tell it who your customer is. And then you add in the same context that you just put in yesterday, and then you finally ask your question. And you do that every single time. But I'm going to show you how to never do that again. I'll tell you exactly what's going on and why you keep getting these generic answers. I'll explain to you how to get that fixed today, and I'll tell you how to have it improve alongside you so that you have more of a business partner rather than just some idea machine. So what happens? When you open up a new chat, you're basically starting the AI from zero. It doesn't know your business, it doesn't know your customers, and it definitely doesn't know what you did yesterday or what you have planned for the whole week. So what is it left with? It gives you the same generic answer that someone who's also using the same AI could have gotten. And you basically spend the first 5 minutes of your time trying to catch this AI up on what exactly you're doing and where you're at. But the problem was never the AI. The models that we have today are incredible. The problem is context. AI is only as smart as what it knows about you. So if you keep re-explaining yourself every single time, then you're capping out how good it can ever be. So the people who are getting insane results from AI right now, they're not using some crazy AI that's only locked to the highest of companies. They're using the same tools that you have access to today. Basically, the only difference is that they stop starting from zero. So here's what you should do. Computer. Whatever computer or desktop you want this AI to live on, start it there. But ideally, it should have enough storage for it to get started. Claude. Download the Claude desktop app and go ahead and make an account. There's 3 different plans, and honestly, you really just need the Pro plan to get started. Folder. This is about the most technical thing that you'll do today, and honestly, it's easy. Go to your files and go to wherever you want this AI to live. So go ahead and create a folder and name it whatever you want. Open up the Claude app and head over to Claude Code. Once you're there, you're going to select the folder that you just created. Paste in a simple starter prompt. If you want the exact starter prompt that I use to build some of these, you can get it from the link in my description below. It's free and it's just a copy and paste. It'll have Claude ask you a bunch of questions about you, about your business, and what's currently going on today. And the best part is that Claude builds all of those folders just for you, so you don't have to worry about any of that. After that, you're good to go. AI is simply files and folders. That's how it reads and understands. So setting this up is only going to take about 30 minutes, so it's not that long. And from there, you have a business partner rather than just some chatbot. Once it's built, you can pretty much ask your business any question, such as, how do we do this month? Or draft an email, or what is it looking like this week? The best part is that it answers like it works for you, because technically it kind of does. So instead of everything living in your head or across 10 different apps, everything is in one brain, so your AI always remembers. It compounds, so every file you add, every decision that you make, every client that you bring on, the whole thing simply gets so much smarter. Your context becomes an asset. So 6 months down the road, you're not talking to some generic chatbot anymore. You're talking to an assistant that knows your business better than most of your team, and sometimes even better than you. And that's basically it. I give this starter prompt away for completely free. Like I said, it's in the link in my description and you can get it. It's just copy and paste. And this is just the beginning. If you want to use Claude for real work, such as video editing, lead generation, marketing, website design, whatever you can imagine, you're going to need a few more things to add on top of Claude. This is going to be tools and skills and other programs that Claude can connect to directly. So if that interests you, reach out and we'll talk. But if you'd rather do it yourself, then follow along because I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.